Well, 10 years ago today, the island was preparing for Sandy to hit our shores. No one then, of course, could have predicted the impact the superstorm would have on the island's future. News 12's Andrew Anger explains how the storm actually helped clean up an important body of water.
For more than 20 years, Stony Brook University research professor Charlie Flagg has studied the Great South Bay. So when Superstorm Sandy hit a decade ago and ripped through a part of Fire Island, he got to work.
The breach happened right here.
The breach, which is just west of Smith Point Park, let water flow from the ocean into Bellport Bay. Initially, there was some major concern, but soon that worry did a 180. Mother Nature was helping the bay heal.
The increased exchange with the ocean cleaned up the bay.
Flagg immediately started documenting rising salinity levels, cleaner water, and a rebirth of marine life in the bay, and even parts of the Great South Bay. But now, 10 years later, Mother Nature has apparently had enough.
So right now, the breach, apparently you can wade across it, ankle deep at this point. So from a functional point of view, it's closed.
Flagg says breaches and shorelines are constantly shifting. But now he worries about the return of high nitrogen levels in the water and reduced marine life.
The not so good phytoplankton are going to reestablish themselves because they take advantage of the high nutrient loads.
But as this breach has closed, Flagg says Mother Nature could open up another one if we get a second Sandy or other big storm that hits Long Island. He says we just don't know exactly when or where that could happen.
There are plenty of places on Fire Island that are waiting for a breach. All it takes is not being very wide, not being very tall, and deep water on the bay side.
But until more ocean water is infused into the bay, it's up to everyone to help protect our waters. Flagg says that can be done by modernizing septic systems and reducing nitrogen runoff into the bay. In Bellport, Andrew Anger, News 12 Long Island.